everyone. Hey, welcome back to the channel. Welcome. Guys, I'm currently in London, so the background is a little different. Yeah, I'm enjoying my time here in London, and I'm definitely glad to be back on screen doing a video for you guys. I figured let me check in with y'all. It's been a few days. I've definitely missed doing the videos. I've definitely missed chatting with you all. Welcome back to the video. Welcome back to the channel. This is the channel where we talk about all things finance, guys. We talk about business credit. It's my favorite topic to talk about. We talk about personal credit, real estate, and investing on this channel. I'm your girl, Jamade. Welcome, guys. Okay, so let's talk about my experience here in London, okay? I'm doing some vlog too for you guys, okay? So content is coming, baby. Content is coming. I got a lot of videos for you guys, but I wanted to talk about how I'm like doing financial transactions here in London, okay? So I planned the trip probably about a month ago before. Um, for this trip. So then I was thinking, how am I going to do my transactions? How are my credit cards going to be affected? But guys, let me tell y'all, if you're traveling to London, no worries, guys. Have no worries because you can definitely use your cards here, or you can use the currency here is the British pound, and the rate is 82 pounds to 1 USD. Okay, for every 1 USD, it's 82 pounds. Okay, so the pound is worth more. Okay, so this is what the pound looks like. Okay, this is the money. This is the $5 bill, or not $5, £5. Okay, the coin is still on there. Okay, this is the back of the £5. Okay, I don't know who's that, so maybe y'all can tell me. This is the Big Ben. I'm gonna be visiting the Big Ben today. This is £20. Okay, the queen is still on there. Okay, I don't know. They're probably going to change it to King Charles, since he's now has taken over the monarchy. He's the new king. So, but so far the face of the queen is still on all of the money. Okay, so this is £20, and this is £5. But guys, I really hasn't haven't been using the pound. Sorry, y'all. Got to readjust. I really haven't been using the pound that much. I actually have been using my Chase Sapphire, okay? Because why put my money at risk, okay? It's safer for me to use my credit cards. We gotta keep readjusting, y'all. So I'm not in the my usual settings, so bear with me. Um, I'm using my card, my Chase Sapphire. That's what I'm really using. No international, no foreign transaction fees when you use your Chase or your American Express. Okay, so those cards are travel cards. So when you use them, they do. I don't have to figure out what the exchange is or anything like that. I swipe and I go. Usually, what they've been doing when I do swipe is that they've been just having me to sign, and then yesterday I went and bought some groceries. They required that I sign, and then they wanted to see another piece of documentation, or my identity, either my passport or my driver's license with my signature on there. They wanted to see two matching signatures. Okay, so I had to show my ID with bear with me, y'all. I'm not in my usual environment. So I had to show my ID with my signature on it, and the card, the receipt. So I would sign the receipt, and then I had to show another form of ID with a signature that matches. So that's what I've been having to do. But so far, so good with my Chase Sapphire. I'm collecting points, okay? And I'm not using my money. It's not at risk at all. So it's so far so good. Okay, so that does it for this video, guys. Just wanted to check in with you all, do a quick check-in. Hopefully you guys are doing good. I've missed doing these videos with you all, but I'm also having fun and enjoying my family while vacationing here in London. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, guys. Give the video a like, okay? Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. You're coming up on my videos. Shout out to all of my subscribers, old and new. Thank you guys for all of your support. I love and appreciate you guys so, so much. Shout out to all of you guys who are still ordering your business credit ebook. If you have not, order your business credit ebook, guys. Okay, head to the website www.ade, A-D-E, holistic, holistic.com and order your book, guys. Okay, thank you so, so much. And keep following your dreams, guys. Okay, keep putting one foot in front of the other. Do not freaking give up. All right, y'all. I'll talk to y'all later. I gotta go. Bye.